Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about video elements in HTML. For this video, I will be using VS Code. What are video elements in HTML? Video elements in HTML simply let us put a video on our website. To write a video element in HTML, first write the video keyword for both the open and close tags. After the video keyword inside the open tag, write the src attribute, short for source, and follow it with an equal sign. After writing the equal sign, write the name of your video file, dot its type, inside of a set of quotation marks. But you can't write the name of any file in your desktop file. You must make sure that your video file is in your VS Studio Coding folder. All you have to do is to locate your VS Studio Coding folder you created after downloading VS Code and drop your video inside the folder. You can now use your video. Back to our code. It is highly recommended to write a controls attribute because without it, the user will have no control over your video. So make sure to write the controls attribute with a S to give the user on your website some basic controls like pausing, skipping, or resuming. If your video is too big or small, you can resize it using the width or the height attribute. Just write your value after the equal sign and inside the quotation marks. If you don't set a specific height, your height will also change to accommodate for the shape if you change your width. We can pause it, we can resume it, we can skip around, we can mute it, we can do whatever we want. There are also other HTML attributes we can use to further modify our video element. Here are some basic attributes. First, we have the autoplay attribute. That's autoplay all lowercase without any spaces. It automatically starts playing our video after we enter our website. Then, we have the muted attribute. Remember, it is written all lowercase with an ed at the end. It sets the video to be muted. And last, we have the loop attribute. It is written all lowercase and loops the video after it ends. We can add and use each attribute as we see fit. We can even use all of them at once. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe for more videos. And as always, thanks for watching.